Jean Woodford presided over the killing of 4 men.
To secure them to a gurney, to put the IV in their arm, and to put them to sleep with these drugs that will kill them is just so surreal. It's just so hard to describe because you know you have done nothing to improve public safety.
Woodford was the warden at San Quentin Prison in California. She says authorities in Arkansas will face many challenges as they attempt to execute so many over a 10-day period.
I mean, they're carrying out these executions because the drugs are about to expire. It doesn't appear to me to be the right reason. The chance for error when you're trying to carry out so many executions in such a short amount of time, I think is increased. So I really don't understand the governor's argument in this case.
And the other argument is that the relatives of those killed by these men, this was the deal. This was how society was going to allow them to cope and for them to have some sense of justice. These people were, I mean, it was just the law. So there's no point, you can't renege on that deal now.
I think you have to put it in context to all the issues surrounding the death penalty. I mean, it's so arbitrary. It isn't really the crime that dictates whether someone gets the death penalty. It's many other things that are quite arbitrary, such as did the individuals have the right attorneys? What county did they commit the crime in? Because some counties seek the death penalty and other counties don't ever seek the death penalty. Do all the victims' family members want this to be carried out? In the many cases that I dealt with, often the family members wanted nothing to do with the death penalty. And should that be the deciding factor?
She's also concerned about those who will have to do the killing.
I know that others have suffered from post-traumatic stress, as I have.
After spending 30 years in the criminal justice system, Woodford is now involved with an organization that educates the public about alternatives to the death penalty. She's written to the governor of Arkansas to reconsider the state's plan to execute the inmates, but to no avail. Shihab, Rattansi, Jazeera, Benicia, California.